China 4th Type 055 destroyer, NATO reporting name, Renhai-class cruiser, was commissioned on the 11th of November 2021 with the People's Liberation Army Navy Plan or Chinese Navy's North Sea Fleet. The vessel is named after Anshan, a large city in Liaoning province, located in northeastern China. Anshan is the 4th destroyer of the Type 055 class and the 3rd one commissioned this year, yet a 5th vessel, Jiangnan, is expected to join the planned fleet by year-end. First ship of the class, Nanchang, was launched on June 28, 2017 at the Jiangnan Changxing Shipyard in Shanghai. The second one, Lhasa, 102, was launched in April 2018 at the same shipyard. Two more Type 055 were launched in 2018, two more in 2019 and an additional two in 2020, bringing the total number of Type 055 hulls currently in the water to 8. Construction of these large destroyers is split between two local shipyards, Jiangnan Changxing Shipyard in Shanghai and Dalian Shipbuilding Industry Company in Dalian. Anshan was built in Shanghai. The first ship in class, Nanchang, was commissioned on the 12th of January 2020, it was followed by Lhasa in March 2021 and Dalian on the 23rd of April 2021. The Type 055 destroyers are the largest surface combatant currently being built in the world. They have a length of 180 meters, a beam of 20 meters and a draft of 6.6 meters for a full load displacement of about 13,000 t. In comparison, the U.S. Navy's Ticonderoga-class cruiser and the Flight 3 Arleigh Burke-class destroyer displace 9,800 tons. The Royal Navy Type 45 is lighter at about 8,500 tons. Their official plan designation is 10,000-ton class destroyer. The U.S. Department of Defense have been calling them cruisers since 2017. Type 055 weapons. The current Type 055's weapons fit includes a 130mm height PJ-38 main gun, 112 VLS silos, a HPJ-11C with a fire rate of 10,000 rod per minute, a HQ-10 short-range missiles, decoy launchers, torpedoes. The silos are split in two areas, 64X cells forward and 48X cells aft, just in front of the ship's double hangar. They are of the same model as those fitted aboard Type 052D destroyers, compatible with both hot and cold launch missiles thanks to the concentric canister launcher concept. According to our colleague East Pendulum, all Chinese missiles which size does not exceed 9 meters in length and 0.85 meters in diameter can be launched from those VLS cells, provided that the combat system is compatible. The plan is set to fit its first few Type 055 with HQ-9B anti-aircraft missiles with a range of 200 kilometers, YJ-18A anti-ship missiles, a new type of medium-range anti-aircraft missile and land attack cruise missiles based on the YJ-18 family, EA, practically the same as those already found on Type 052D destroyers. It is also likely that the new anti-submarine missile U-8A is among the ship's weapons fit. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.